हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम वंस अगेन। सो आज मैं आपसे बात करने जा रहा हूँ जो प्रोटेस्ट हुआ है, द प्रोटेस्ट विच वाज कंडक्टेड एट द जंतर मंतर इन दिल्ली। सो इन दैट प्रोटेस्ट there were some activities conducted by the government, like there was lathi charge. They took Sonam Wanchuk from the place Jantar Mantar to the hospital that was Safdarganj hospital. So on the legal point there are some questions. So the first question is whether you can take any person who is doing the protest, that is a peaceful protest also, and who is on hunger strike. So government has the power to do this action, whether government can take that person from the Jantar Mantar to the hospital for the livelihood, for the well-being of that person or citizen. Is it allowed under any law in India? Second question will be whether lathi charge which was done, whether it is allowed or not. So for these questions I would like to invite our today's expert, Dr. P.P. Mitra sir. P.P. Mitra sir is currently serving as a Dean of the Vivekananda Global University, Jaipur, Department of Law. Sir.
Yes. Now question is coming here. You see, two issues are coming here. First is who is in a hunger strike, whether that can be forcefully feeding is there, means if anyone is going for the hunger strike, whether government can put any kind of restriction on hunger strike. And second is this lathi charge over these protesters. First issue is coming where hunger strike is going on. On that time forceful feeding is there. If you see that during the British period, no exact law is there, but anyone is trying to suicide before the government, on that time government may take the action for the feeding, forceful feeding, but custody has to take it. First you have to take the custody from part of view. So in this extent, if you see that in this position the action against the Wangchuk was legally correct, because first he has taken into custody, then the force feeding is there. So it is the why government did this thing. The issue is coming, just anyone is trying to miss self-immolation, or anyone trying to self-death, or any kind of hunger strike. So this is against the basic form of the right to life does not mean right to kill the life. So that's why government, if you are doing against the government may take the action. This is the one part. Second part is coming, the lathi charge against the protest. Everyone has a right to protest. That is the protest is coming under the part of, if you see the Indian context, that is against the Article 19(1)(a), where you can freedom of speech and expression, and freedom of speech and expression against the protest also. This is legally. If you see democratic country also, everyone has a right to protest also, when it is peaceful. But unless until it is destroying or any kind of vandalism, that is prohibited. But here that situation was not there. So such type of attack over the protester is, I think, according to me, it's not legal. So here somehow government has taken some massive action, some more means violent action that should not be against, that is not against the policy of the law. So they must be told just to remove the place, or they must given the opportunity just to vacate the place. But such type of lathi charge against the peaceful protest, this is the, I think, according to me, this is not format of any kind of legal procedure of the country.
Sir, but although it is not a legal procedure, but as per the Police Act of 1860, that law says a police officer can use the lathi for the protection of the society, for maintaining the law and order in the society. So if the police can show or prove that there was the violence which was not able to maintain the law and society, though, what is your opinion on this?
And that's why I'm telling that police can do lathi charge when this is the means any mob is coming, any mob is going to attack somewhere. You know, in the CRPC so many provisions are there, and this law is there. So all of these criminal procedural laws are there where it is given the scope to the police when mob is coming or any attack is going to take place. So here situation was different. There was a peaceful protest was there. They were sitting and they were continuously going for the hunger strike or whatever. They were just sitting and making any kind of anti-view, whatever it may be. So simple protest was there. So I think here no such type of attack was there. So it was a very much a radical action on the side of the police as well as the state also. They must given the scope to when mob is becoming violent, when such type of thing, such type of means association of person, they are taking a risk towards the society or any attack or any kind of property of the state or any kind of public of the state. On that time it could happen legal, that lathi charge by the police. But here I think it's not the up to Wangchuk case, it was very much illegal from the government point of view, state's points of view. But such type of massive attack on the this protester, which was government was very much action, means government action was more arrogant than the protesters. I think so. This is as per legal structure.
So thank you so much, sir, for joining me today. I'll join in the next session.
Again.
Thank you.
Once an issue.